A furnace limit switch trips when the system detects unsafe temperature conditions and shuts the burner off to protect the equipment and home. A common cause is restricted airflow from dirty filters, closed registers, or blocked return vents. So check and replace filters. Open all vents and feel for strong airflow at each register to confirm circulation. High gas pressure or incorrect burner adjustment can drive temperatures above safe limits, so have a qualified technician measure manifold pressure and adjust the gas valve to manufacturer specifications. A cracked or partially blocked heat exchanger can create hot spots and poor heat transfer, and if you suspect this, inspect for rust or soot and arrange immediate repair or replacement because that damage can worsen quickly. Motor or blower failures reduce airflow. Test the blower by turning the fan to on and listening for steady operation. Tighten loose belts and lubricate bearings if applicable, or replace the motor if it does not reach rated speed. Short cycling caused by a failing thermostat or control board can cause repeated trips, so verify thermostat location, set point stability, and swap the thermostat with a known good unit for testing if needed. Finally, confirm that the limit switch itself is not faulty by measuring continuity when cool and replacing the device if it shows intermittent contacts or fails to reset. The three most common mistakes are blaming the switch itself without checking airflow first, which you can avoid by always inspecting filters and vents before replacing parts. People often ignore proper gas pressure checks and burner tuning, and the short fix is to schedule a licensed technician to measure pressure and adjust burners rather than guessing. Homeowners sometimes delay addressing a cracked heat exchanger because they fear cost, and the right approach is to turn off the furnace, avoid using it until inspected, and get a repair estimate because continued operation risks larger damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and listings, so we help people find professionals who can diagnose and repair limit switch tripping issues. We also provide a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, troubleshooting tips, and recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors find work and practical guidance.